Have you ever been studying or working, and those around you are just too loud? Do you ever wish you could be in your own bubble and tune out the outside world to focus on your tasks? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll be showing you a hack that can help you achieve just that on your iPhone. By turning on white noise, you can block out distractions and increase your concentration, ultimately boosting your productivity. So let's get started. Step 1. Turning on white noise. To turn on white noise, go to Settings, then Accessibility, and scroll down to the Hearing section. From there, select Audio, Visual, and then tap on Background Sounds. Step 2. Selecting your background noise. Now that you're in the Background Sounds menu, you can choose the type of noise that helps you focus better. You have selections such as balanced noise, dark noise, the ocean, or rain. Choose whichever you think will help you focus better. I like balanced noise the best. Step 3. Selecting your noise volume and settings. Once you have selected your preferred background noise, you can adjust the volume to your liking. You can also choose to have the noise continue playing while you have music or videos playing, and you can turn it off when your iPhone is locked. Step 4. Using Accessibility Shortcut. To make it easy to turn on and off your white noise, you can set up an accessibility shortcut. The reason we are doing this is so that you can quickly turn it on and off whenever you need it. Select background sounds from the list of accessibility features. To access white noise, simply triple-click the right side button on your iPhone to toggle it on. You can use the same process to turn it off as well. And that's it. Now you know how to turn on white noise and make it easily accessible on your iPhone. This can be a helpful hack for those who need to block out distractions and improve their focus. If you have any other hacks like this, be sure to let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks about habits, productivity, and mindfulness. Thanks for watching.